I got the Fenty blush and the Fenty lip. So right now, Riri is winning, okay? She winning. We need our edges. We need to thicken them up. Hey loves, welcome to my channel. If you guys are new here, my name is Chanel and this is the mixed edition. On this channel, guys, we talk about all things fragrance, a little bit of beauty, and a little bit of lifestyle. So if any of those topics interest you, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and join the mix. In today's video, we are going to be doing a very brief kind of general overview of my experience using the new Fenty hair care line products. Now these products have been out for a while, but I was waiting on a good sale, a good deal. Fenty recently had their friends and family sale, so it was the perfect time to try some of their new products. I picked up the Maintenance Crew. Guys, my lighting is very bright, so I'm not sure if you guys can maybe see it. But here is the box that it came in. And actually, this was a really good deal. I think it was like $45. So guys, I believe these are all travel sizes, but for $45 you get the Maintenance Crew package deal, and it comes with 4 different products. So I thought that was a really good deal, just so I can kind of see what Fenty hair is hitting on, try out a few products, and kind of get my bang for my buck. So I tried out some products today, and I'm gonna let you guys know what I think just from a first time use, okay? So let's not be too judgmental, but from a first time use, I'll let you guys know how my experience was and how I like the products so far. So guys, we'll start off with how I unbox the products, kind of a first glance at them, what they look like, and then we'll come back to my experience using them today. So just a really quick overview of the Maintenance Crew package. You get the Rich One Moisture Repair Shampoo. You also get the Richer One Moisture Repair Deep Conditioner. So you get your 1, 2, and it comes back. It comes with the Comeback Kid, and this is supposed to be like their #1 bestseller. We're gonna get into that. And lastly, it comes with the protective type, and it is a 5-in-1 heat protectant styler. So guys, I did start off my hair washing routine, my hair day routine today with a clarifying shampoo. I do feel like Fenty hair is missing that, but Creed has it, so we'll see. I said Creed. Oh my God, it's sacred. I said it's sacred. Oh my God. I did start off with a clarifying shampoo. It wasn't from Fenty Hair because they don't have one, but I needed to clarify before I did my wash routine today. So I did that. Then I followed up with the Rich One, the Moisture Repair Shampoo, and I thought this was going to be a really great thing to do right after clarifying, because it's supposed to be a moisture, so it's supposed to put that moisture back in my hair after I've clarified. That's what I was hoping it was going to do. But to be honest, guys, the shampoo kind of has some clarifying type properties. I don't know that to be exactly true, but at least that's how it left my hair feeling. I felt like it was clarifying my hair. I didn't really get a ton of that moisture that I thought I was going to get. But I think overall, this is just good, especially if you didn't use a clarifying shampoo to begin with. This would clarify your hair and possibly have you retain a little bit of moisture. I was expecting it to be a little bit more of a richer lather and to actually really feel the moisture replenishing in my strands. I didn't really get that, but I do feel like it is still a nice shampoo because, like I said, it did get my hair clean. So for that, I would probably rate this at like a 7.2 out of 10. It smells really good, guys. And a matter of fact, we're gonna say that for last. But spoiler alert, it smelled real good. So this was the product that got me the most excited to kind of try Fenty Hair Care line. This is the comeback kit. This is supposed to give you instant damage repair treatment. So how you're supposed to use this, you're supposed to put it on after you shampoo, put it on for 3 to 5 minutes and rinse it out. And that's exactly what I did. I left it on for 5 minutes, guys. And when I took my shower cap off, guys, I cannot lie, I immediately noticed a difference in my hair. I can't lie, no cap. My hair felt so different. And then as I started to rinse it out, I said, oh, okay, I know what it is. It literally closed or smoothed, let me use that, smoothed my hair cuticles. Like the water was just flying off my hair. My hair was so soft and silky. So this must really have like some bond repair type of ingredients in it, because my bonds were so smooth and it just instantly just made my hair just feel so much more healthier. And this is just on the rinse out, you know. So I was like, oh, I am in love. I see what the hype is about. Like, so this is 10 out of 10. Highly recommend. So if you haven't tried this yet, and especially if you're struggling with, you know, maybe some damaged hair or something like this, please give this a try. And I will be picking up a full-size bottle because that's how good it is. I need this in my hair care routine, period. So really, guys, I didn't even need to do nothing else after the comeback kit. But because I wanted to try all of the products, I went ahead and did the richer one. This is the Moisture Repair Deep Conditioner. So what I did, because I was like, I don't want to lose this feeling of these smooth strands, smooth, you know, hair, I mixed it and I just kind of like hurried up and rinsed it out. Like I didn't let this sit in my hair. So I put these two back together and rinsed it out, and that worked. I would say on its own, it's probably not going to give me the moisture repair that I'm expecting. And like, guys, back in the day, you know, if you were really into your hair care, we all know that a deep conditioner will make or break you, okay? So I feel like if we were judging it based on that criteria, that this would probably not fit the bill. But I think as a quick 1-2, as far as the rich one, Moisture Repair Shampoo, and then you follow up with the richer one, Moisture Deep Conditioner, I think as a quick 1-2, this will get you through it. But if you really trying to like get your hair to, you know, be on another level, I'm going to direct you to this, okay? This comeback kit, I'm going to direct you to this. When I got out of the shower and I started to blow dry my hair felt great. It felt detangled. It felt smooth. It felt soft. On top of it, it smelled fantastic. It smelled fantastic. I really wanted to hate on the smell for a minute. I was like, you know, when I first smelled the product, I was like, oh, it's whatever. It ain't all that. But as I started to put it in my hair, it was luxurious. Okay? All right? If that's what we be running around smelling like, yeah, okay. It smells so good. Babe, you gotta smell these products. It smells so good. It smells so good. So guys, the smell, 10 out of 10. Okay. Before I used heat on my hair to blow dry my hair, I did use a little bit of the protective type. I was afraid to kind of really go in on this because, you know, sometimes heat protectors, they can kind of add buildup to your hair, and I just clarified, so I didn't want to do all of that. But Guys, you literally only need a dime size of this. This goes a long way. So I'm excited to kind of use this like just period on my hair when my hair is dry and I'm putting it up in a protective style like a ponytail or a bun. I'm just excited to kind of use this as is. So I would say probably for the heat protectant, I don't really know how good it is at protecting your hair from the heat, but it's not a bad to have. So I will go ahead and just give this a 7 just because. Did I rate this one? I gave this one a 7.2. I gave this one a 10 out of 10. And I gave the richer one, Moisture Repair Deep Conditioner, I'll give this a 5 out of 10. I give this a 5 out of 10. And again, the protective type, I'll give this a 7 out of 10. Additional things that I want to talk about, guys. I really don't like the packaging. I'ma just have to keep it real. Like, look, I mean, it's in this type of bottle, and then it's in this type of, you know, container, and then you got this kind of container with the. It's just too much going on. Like, and then they're all different colors. I don't know. It's not vibing with me too much. But what I do like about the packaging is that they have these illustrative pictures on the back. And they also come with QR codes. And I didn't test it out, but I imagine it takes you directly to the product on Fenty's website. And they'll probably tell you how to use the product. So I do like that about the packaging. But just the cohesiveness of the packaging, it fell flat for me. The last thing I want to talk about, guys, I did pick this up separately in a separate order, which we gonna get to, because I did a whole separate order for the friends and family 25 to 30% off sale, and I did pick up the Fenty hair, the controlling type. It didn't come in the maintenance crew starter kit, so I had to purchase this separately. So I purchased this during the friends and family sale. I didn't use this yet. So we can go ahead and try to use this on camera. This is, again, a whole different packaging from everything else. It's too much, guys. This is too all over the place for me. I don't like that. But anyways, it's about the product. So let's get into it. I'm gonna do a little bit on my edges right here, and we're gonna see how this looks. So I got a little edge brush. About to dip it in. Oh my God, what? Y'all, I didn't take the plastic wrapping off. I was like, what? This product's stiff as hell. Okay. Alright. So now we about to dip it into the product. Okay. It's dipping now. Alright, where we gonna go with this? I'm gonna try it up here. I got a little mirror down here that I'm looking at. Okay. So this is the controlling type. I know she has another one. I don't remember what that one is, but the reason why I was wanting to try this one is because it has hair thickening edge control gel. So of course, you know, we need our edges. We need to thicken them up. And I just came out of a really bad quick weave, and it quickly took my edges out. So I'm gonna need something to get that repair going, okay? Alright, that wasn't bad. I didn't think it was going to do nothing, to be honest. But that wasn't too bad. I didn't go overboard. I'm just testing it because I got a whole nother video to shoot. So I don't want to mess up too much, but that's pretty solid. That's pretty solid. So just first impressions on that, I'll give this probably an 8. And if it does what it say it's supposed to do, thicken up these edges, then it's definitely gonna get a 10. So that's it for my review, guys. Please don't forget to leave me a thumbs up if you enjoyed this content. Leave me a comment. Let me know what you think about the products, if you've tried any or if you plan on trying any. But again, I recommend you go ahead and get that comeback kit, okay? Because these edges gonna come back. They gonna come back. They gonna come back. See you guys in my next video. Mwah. Mwah, mwah, mwah. Mwah. I can't even get the thumbnail together because they're in different packages. Baby, you gotta smell these products. They smell so good. I wonder if you can still smell it in my hair. We'll see. We'll see when we